In this video, I will show you how to change your default browser on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it. So if you have an iPhone, your default browser is going to be Safari, but there's a way to change that in case you want to use Firefox, Chrome, or any other browser. So the first thing we need to do is to download that external browser. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and download Google Chrome because I just like to use every single Google app and it's the browser that I prefer. After you download the browser that you want to use, go ahead and open up settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to select apps. So if you have the latest version of the iOS, you're going to see default apps right here at the top of your screen. You're going to go ahead and select that, and then you're going to tap on browser app. As you can see, mine is set to Safari, but since I just downloaded the Chrome app, I'm going to change it to Chrome. And now this is going to be my default browser app. And it's that simple. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. Bye.